Oh, no.
Testing. This is Hot Ones Joburg edition. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Hot Ones edition Johannesburg. We're currently waiting for our wings, but when that arrives, we'll be doing 5 questions and 5 wings. We haven't figured out the questions yet, but
Or the wings.
Or the wings. But here are the sources. We're 1 source down, super easy. This is piss. Yeah. Who said this was difficult? Come on. This is way too easy. So basically what we're doing here is, see if I can get, so there's no electricity, thanks Eskom.
It's mood lighting.
Yeah, it's mood lighting. So we're basically putting the sauces on the plate. We're then dipping 2 dips.
It's your own discretion.
2 dips per sauce, and then eating the wings.
So now I have to be strategic. Am I going to go wing or am I going leg? Because I think I want to do leg for the bomb for sure. So set one aside. I think I also want
That's
leg.
Valentina. That's super tasty. Nice. Good sauce. Nice vinegar. Awesome.
It's just a general quality wing.
Yeah. Well, it was well researched. So apparently best wings in South Africa, Chicken Licken and KFC. 1 and 2. Going up a level here.
You can just smell it.
Yeah, it's called Swazi Fire. I mean, it looks a bit scarier. Okay, here we go. And tasty still.
Oh.
Definitely hot. Yeah. It hits.
You were taking this way better than I am.
Well, heavy.
Yeah, I'm already sweating.
Yeah. Around the sides of the mouth as well. Ooh.
Alright, here's your question. Armed with a baseball bat. How many 10-year-olds do you think you can take down before they get you down?
Wow. And they're all rushing at me, I'm
Yep.
guessing. So.
They're all rushing at you.
They
They don't have a strategy, but they're all
Yeah.
rushing as many as possible.
I reckon I could go for a push and hit approach, and I can get at least like 10 or 15 down.
Yeah.
Maybe more. Yeah, see. Hot questions, hot wings.
Woo!
Okay, so basically what we're doing is we're dabbing at least twice. So I'm going to dab twice here. Strategic dab. Dab a little bit. And dab a little bit there. I'm not going to go too crazy, but I feel that is a good amount of sauce on that.
Yeah.
Right?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Are you nervous? How are you feeling?
I am a bit nervous.
We're a bit nervous?
Like,
okay.
I mean, I think the run-up as well has been pretty easy.
Yeah. We have
but I have seen this particular sauce many times kill many people. So let's see. Let's just see what I'm just gonna do. It. Fuck it.
That's a good sized bite. You didn't shy away from it. That's impressive. You really went in.
Yeah. I mean, it's hot straight off the top. Yeah. Wow. It is warm. Very warm.
Look at that. That's a clean wing.
I mean, whew. It was warm, and then it was just everywhere. It's like warm. I can see why, like, to be careful of your eyes. Huh.
Yeah, I mean, you're tearing up. How much hotter was it than the other ones?
I mean, it's hotter. It's definitely hotter. I mean, I wouldn't say I might have been. I'm gonna have some milk.
Yeah, go for it.
I think I'd kind of built it up in my head to be like deathly hot, of like fall over. Wow. Oh, there it is. There. It is definitely there. I read a really good article coming into this though on how like eating hot spicy food actually, like, you feel it as hot and as heat, but your mind is actually just telling you that, and it's not actually hot. Like, you feel that it's burning, but it's actually like there's no actual chemical reaction that's burning. It's really just this feeling of like your body saying to you that is probably poisonous.
Is that helping or hurting? Is that did you read that? Is that now helping?
In my mind, it's helping me a little bit because it's kind of taking my brain off the idea that it's actually really
You get to watch your eyes.
Hold I was putting my nose.
Yeah.
Like,
Oh
right,
yeah, dude. You know,
like a,
for sure.
wow.
I mean, you a champ about
I
it,
mean,
though.
it is definitely hot. It is definitely hot. It is like, it is hot, but like manageable hot. I think. I'm gonna go for a tiny bit more.
What a true psycho.
Boom.
All right, and one last question. Would you rather have to watch your parents have sex every night or join in one time to make it stop?
When you say every night, is this forever and ever and ever?
Forever.
For join in, definitely. Quick pain, get it over with. Therapy for the rest of the life. That would be the plan. Okay.
Bottoms up. Till the last day in South Africa. Maybe my last day ever after this sauce.
It's the bomb.
The bomb. Oh, very wet. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh. This is not going to go well. Because you say it gets hotter.
It does. It goes through stages of different
No, dude,
it's in different places of the.
No, it's behind my nose.
Yeah.
I say
Top 3 experiences in South Africa.
I mean, Mom. That's poison. I'm profusely sweating. Oh, down the throat. Alright. You're saying this is all in my head.
It's all in your head. It's all in your head. It's.
The breathing hurts.
The
breathing hurts. Good coleslaw. You were much better narrating. I'm just in pain.
I think the person that said it was all in your head though might never have had the bomb.
That lying bastard.
That was all science and no actual practice.
How do people answer questions after this? I'm done. Woo! I mean, that's just stuck right there.
Like worst experiences in South Africa, other than right now.
I don't know if there's any.
And don't touch your eyes. I think I might have got a bit in my eyes.
I'm gonna go for the milk too. I can't help.
Kind of levels out a bit. But definitely like breathing. Whew.
Dude. That's painful. That's the best, most painful. There's my eyes. Good.
Watch the eyes. Yeah, good.
I don't know how he does that. That's good.
Yeah, and the dude has to do it every single fucking time.
More props to Sean Evans.
Yeah, more props to Sean Evans. So we survived. We survived the bomb, which is by far the hottest one on the show. Now is for the customary last dab, a little bit extra. So this one is a ghost. It's Rodney's Ghost Pepper. So Ghost Pepper chilies, 1.5 million Scovilles maybe, between 1 and 1.5 million Scovilles. So should taste nicer than the bomb, but apparently is like supposed to be hotter. So we'll see how that goes.
All right. I'll give you because this is the last question.
I mean, at this point now, my mouth is like,
Yeah.
so far gone. I'm not really tasting the full effect of any sort of major chili here.
Have you tasted the flavor? Is there a bit more flavor with this one?
There is a bit more flavor. It is nicer, but it is the type of flavor that my brain tells me that's fucking hot. That's like the flavor that I'm getting.
But it's not making you instantly cry.
No.
Yeah, you're going back for seconds. That's a psychotic move.
Not too bad. After the bomb, my mouth is like over it now.
Whew. Okay. I'll give you two for the last question. You can pick and choose.
Boom.
Would you rather have sex with anyone in the world, or be able to teleport.
Oh, fuck.
And I'm gonna give you
Multiple times on either of those things.
I'll say yes, and you'd be able to pick. You'd be able to change that person.
What do you mean?
So I like sex with. Like you get like.
I can choose.
Once per
sex.
year, and you can teleport anywhere once per year, or sex with the hottest, whoever you want to, one time per year.
It's a tough one. Could I teleport like into a different galaxy?
Interesting. I will give you yes.
Okay. But I'd probably like die as soon as I get there because I'll be in space.
Or the second question is, what song would you like at your funeral? What's one of the songs you would like played at your funeral?
Okay, side note to that. The two things I want at my funeral, this is for austerity purposes. I want two things written on my gravestone. I want, here lies the atheist, all dressed up and nowhere to go.
I like that.
And underneath that, I want, I knew if I was here long enough, this would happen.
Those are two good things.
I'll go for the teleporting, because my girlfriend's probably going to watch this one day. So. You, baby, you're all I need.
And so where's the first place you teleport?
First place to teleport would be Mars.
Nice.
Definitely. Okay, so teleporting or sex with anybody once a year?
Sex with anyone once a year. For sure, I'm missing that.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's the difference between 40 and
25. Yeah. But song at the funeral?
It's the last dab. Yeah, song at the funeral.
Oh, that's still hot. But that's but you're right. Now my mouth is so coated.
Yeah,
it doesn't like the pain is gone, but I can still it's still too hot.
Yeah. How long you been in South Africa for?
After 8 months, you can officially say yo.
Yo.
But that was like you can have that on like a flavor.
Yeah, totally. I wonder if you had that first. If we'd had that first, it would have been much worse than having this one first. I figured if we'd started with that one.
No, I think the order you chose was very well done.
Yeah, this is that's the plate of hotness right there.
The carnage.
Boom, killing it.
Mission accomplished.
Mission accomplished. Nice.